A quick look at a multi-room soundproof studio by Crusoe Garden Rooms.
Here's a smart example of how a garden studio can do it all. Record, teach, relax, repeat. Crusoe Garden Rooms created this 7-meter by 3.5-meter bespoke build in Market Harborough, designed around a long, narrow plot. Inside, it's divided into 3 zones: a front lounge office, a soundproof rear studio, and even a small room for an off-grid eco-loo. Natural light floods in from wide opening windows, and the studio is acoustically treated with insulation and sound block plasterboard, perfect for voice work, music, or online teaching. Outside, the fusion cladding blends Western red cedar with stained marine-grade plywood for a sharp, modern look. A covered deck spans the front, complete with recessed LEDs and wall-mounted lighting, ideal for winding down after a day's work. Fully wired and Wi-Fi ready, this garden room is built for work-life balance. Contact Crusoe Garden Rooms to start planning your own project. Or read our full article on the garden room and annex guide